So this is a process called pollination, and there are two kinds of pollination. First is self-pollination, and another is called cross-pollination. First, self-pollination is there is a flower that its own pollen going to its own stigma, meeting the female gamete, and this is one flower meeting its own. And another self-pollination is the same plant getting another flower, and this pollen grain can go to its stigma and meeting this female gamete here. And so self-pollination is for the same plant instead of the same flower, because they share the same genetic combination, because it's the same plant. And secondly, the cross-pollination is there is another plant with different genetic combination, and this pollen going to this stigma and meeting its female gamete. So this is cross-pollination, and thus the cross-pollination have a greater genetic variation than the self-pollination, because there are more difference between these two and these two, because there are still genetic variation between these two, because there are independent assortment or random fertilization in the same plant. So this is pollination.